Hey guys, this is Andres with Team 90 Droid. I'm gonna show you the new functionality of the Program Manager. This will allow you to create and customize your workouts. So I'll start by giving you the basics. We have three main concepts. As you can see now, we have three different icons for the Program Manager. We have exercises. This could be a pull-up, a push-up, a squat. Workout groups are a list of exercises that are done together. So for example, chest has push-ups or wide push-ups, so you have them in a certain order. Then you have programs. Programs are what you're used to. It's an exercise program, so it starts with the day and the workout groups that you're doing that day. So next I'm going to show you how to customize a workout. So let's start by going to programs. In programs you can see all the ones that you have installed, as well as many others that have been shared by the community, and you can just download them, right? So in order to demonstrate what I want to do, I'm going to remove the ones that are installed so you can see more clearly. So you can do that by tapping on the program. It shows you the details and the days that it contains. But in this case I'm going to uninstall it. It gives you a warning. It will not delete your records. It'll just delete the definition. So I can do that with every one of them. But for now I'll just use this shortcut, so I'll delete all of them. Again, it'll not delete your records, it'll just delete the definition of the program. So as you can see, I can start from a clean installation. So I removed all the ones that come prepackaged with the app. So now I'll start by creating a new exercise. So I'll tap new, and I'm gonna call it push-ups. And now I have four options. If I want to do repetitions only, that means I'm just gonna count. Reps and weight means I'm gonna use dumbbells. Cardio allows me for the percentage of completion, and timer. So in this case I'm gonna go with reps only. The duration is optional. So in this case I want to show you how to create an exercise that has a YouTube video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna go to YouTube. So once I'm in the YouTube app, I can search. I already did a search for push-ups. So what I'm gonna do is select the first video, and so after I review it that this is the one I want, so what I'll do is hit on share and select any app that gets text. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to select the part that is after the V equals but before the ampersand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that value, that's the video ID, and go back to my app. So here it's asking me for the video ID, so I'll paste it, right? The next part is asking me for the place where I want the video to start. That's if the video usually has an introduction, so maybe if you want to skip that. So I'm gonna go back to YouTube, and I'll just search for the place where the actual instruction starts. Let's say it's that one. So let's say it's around 22 seconds. So I'll head back to the app, and I'll select 22 seconds and I'll hit OK. So I can even test my video from here. I can see it launching, right? So it looks fine. So I'll hit back and I'll save it. So now I have my push-up exercise. I can add many other exercises. For now I'll just add this one. Now in order to use it, I need to create a workout group. So what I'll do here is I'll create a new workout group and I'll call it chest. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to add an exercise. It shows me a list with all the exercises I have installed. In this case I have one, the one I just created. I'll hit add. So if you see it appears in the list, now I'll just save it. Right, so I have one workout group with one exercise. So let's go back. So now let's say I want to add it to an existing program. I don't want to start from scratch. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to come here and I'm going to look for another existing exercise program. Oh no, I'll do it here, sorry. So I'll download this one. As you can see, it's a short exercise program, 5 days. So what I want to do is I want to modify it. If you see it now, it's under installed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on it and I'll do clone. So that gives me a copy of it. So that's the original name. So I'll do so I'll do just that, right? So in that case, it gives me the days where you have to do every exercise. So let's say I want to alternate this with my existing with my new exercise group. So what I'll do is I'll select this one and I'll hit edit, and it gives me the workout groups in that day. So I'll add my new one, and I can even rearrange them if I want, just by dragging and dropping. If I want to remove one, I'll just drag it and flick it outside of the screen. And now you can see the new one is already there, and I can do many things here. So this is a very flexible platform. So let's say I want to duplicate all these exercises, do them not only one 5-day group at a time, but I want to do it 10 times or 10 days in a row. So for that, I'm going to hit the clone at the end. So if you saw, there was 5 days. Now it's completely duplicated, so I can go on and keep adding or modifying, changing the order of the days even. So if I want to move this one up, I can just drag and drop and it's there. So once I'm done, I'll hit save, and now I can see my exercise group, my exercise program. One interesting thing about this is that, well, I can keep editing it, or I can even clone it to get another copy, but I can also upload it. That will make it appear in the list of programs that are shared by the community. Finally, I want to show you the search and replace functionality for workout groups. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new workout group just to demonstrate this. So if I go to programs, I can see that chest is there, so I want to replace it by the new my workout group. So what I'll do is I'll hit on find and replace, and I'll select chest, and I want it to be, so that will replace all the appearances of this. In this case it's this one. I'll hit save, and now it's the new one. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you guys.